Looking for the ultimate on-water experience? The 2024 Sea-Doo GTX Limited 300 is here. Luxury, performance, and cutting-edge tech, all in one stunning white pearl premium package. This factory demo unit delivers a massive 300 horsepower from the Rotax 1630 ACE engine, paired with the ultra-stable ST3 hull for smooth handling in any water. You'll love the panoramic 7.8-inch color display, waterproof premium audio, IDF debris-free pump system, and the full limited package with exclusive upgrades and accessories. Right now at iMotorsports, you can take it home for just $16,599. That's $3,400 off retail, including all factory rebates and incentives. We're a high-volume dealer with a reputation for making deals happen that others can't. And if we don't have the exact Sea-Doo you want, we'll find it for you. Trust our service and parts team for accessory installs and maintenance, keeping your Sea-Doo ready for adventure. Call 331-259-8435 or visit iMotorsportsinc2 to grab this deal before it's gone.